Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Victor Clark took the 2-hour trip from New York to have us upgrade the audio on his trike. He wanted a simple 4-speaker setup. It was an NVS Audio Stage 1, but he wanted something really good in the fairing, so he chose to go with the new Euphoria xpert point source, carbon fiber, coaxes in the fairing. We went with the Hertz SX165 in the tour pack, pods. No woofers in the bag, it's a simple 4-speaker setup. We went with an HCAD Mini DSP, NVS Audio T harness, and a Sound Digital evox 800.4. He wanted to upgrade his older GT head unit. He wanted something with Waze and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built into the screen. He could barely hear the phone using Waze with his older setup, so now with it integrating to the screen, it plays as loudly as his music played. As a matter of fact, when the navigation voice was talking, after we finished the install, he actually had me lowered a little bit. Known Victor for 2 or 3 years now. He's been an absolute pleasure to do business with, hang out with. We got to hang out today and do lunch together, share some stories. Pretty simple build. He loved the way it sounded, loved the factory fit and finish. He hung out with us the entire time we did the install. And check it out, this is what we did for him.
Let's go.
Oh, I already see what it is. He thinks he's a gangster. Mr. Carly Paul, Mr. Gangster, cause you did time. Well, listen, you gangster, don't cross the line. We out, go get filled. 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 Beamers in and Paulus, thugs and ballers. Ain't nothing safe when things start. Look, man, keep thinking we shook, man. You don't like what doing and cook, man. You ain't ready for the things to. Look, chump, you really think you laugh? Well, we can take this thing outside. Park the dog, park the truck, and let them things.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Victor took the trip to come out and see us to get a Stage 1 upgrade on his trike. Are you happy with the way it sounds?
I love it, man. You got to come to NVS Audio, especially if you got a trike. I mean, nothing beats it. I don't care who you go to. Nothing beats NVS Audio.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate that.